So now what all things are inside the project? As I told, one is the actual code. Now here, if you see, there is a class and there is a main method. Okay. And this is a test class and it has a test case and a assert. Now let me go to POM. Now POM is an important file, pom.xml. Now POM has an important section which is called as dependencies. Now what does dependency means is which all things I would require in order for my code to work properly. So if you see, there is a dependency entered here, which is JUnit. So I am depending, my code is dependent on JUnit. Okay. So JUnit is a framework for testing. Okay. So that is the reason why if you go to app.test, you will find here import static or.junit.assert.assert2 and junit.test. Okay. This is the reason why it is working perfectly fine, because my dependencies are taken care from here. Okay. But we are not going to work on JUnit. We are going to work on TestNg. So in order to work on TestNg, you can go to Maven and type TestNg Maven. That's it. So it will take you to the Maven repository. And then these are the different versions of Maven for TestNg. So TestNg has latest version of TestNg is 7.6.1. This is the latest version of TestNg. So let's click on this. Once you click on this, it will give you something similar to what we have already seen in POM: dependency, group ID, artifact, XYZ things, right? So anything inside the dependency you can select. Actually, you can select everything. It doesn't matter. But okay, let's select everything and let's paste it here. Okay. So now, as you can see, dependency, I have replaced the dependency from JUnit to TestNg. Now, since the dependency has gone of JUnit, you can see here this has turned into red. Why it is red? Because it is saying that there is a compilation error in this file. Now, where is the compilation error? Right here. What is the error? It says the import cannot be resolved, meaning it is not understanding now what is this org.junit. Why it is not understanding? Because I have removed the code by removing the dependency. Okay, so it is because of the JUnit dependency it was working. Since I have removed the JUnit dependency, now it is not working. Got it? So let's remove this too and this as well, and just come here on test. Now there is an intelligence in this Visual Studio Code. All you need to do is come here and press Control and dot. The moment you press Control and dot, okay. So if I come here and press Control dot, it will give me a suggestion: import TestNg file. So now once I click on this, now it understands what is this test, because there is a definition in this TestNg annotation. So this got resolved. Okay. So earlier we were dependent on JUnit. Now we are dependent on TestNg. Simple. So this file has no error. This file never had error. And now I moved from JUnit to TestNg. Okay. So this is the role of pom.xml. It will help you to manage your dependencies. One small thing you can find here is this Maven compiler source and Maven compiler target. Currently it is pointing to 1.7, but I have installed JDK 18. So I have to change it to 18. So now it is pointing to my 18 target and source. So now this code has migrated from JUnit to TestNg. Okay.